So, once again, class, I have now done the stuff behind the scenes in the in-between videos. So, yeah, it's really simply a matter of copying and pasting and putting in the correct names of your variables and making the names of the variables to begin with and putting them in the right spot. So I, put the code in to randomize these from 1 to 10, 1 to 10 as well, put the code in the slots if I lose, all the stuff that we've already done, just copy, pasted, put the correct names in the right spot. You already have all the code to do that, so I don't need to show you all that step by step. So here's where we are. Now the multiplication is not going to give us anything tricky because I had it from 1 to 10 and 1 to 10. The max is 100. My max is 100. It'll be fine. The only thing I need to remember is that the X is not the multiplication symbol. That little star icon, the asterisk, is. And same thing with divide. The divide symbol is a slash. However, even though multiplication's not going to give us much of a problem, division will. And I'll show you why. So, let's say I start this quiz, and boom, I've got 5 times 3, okay, that's 15, easy enough, understandable. But 3 divided by 8, I can't physically do that. Is it, let me just put in a decimal here, like 2 point, no, it won't even let me do a 2.2.2? Nope, okay, let's try 2.5. No, it rounds it up to 3. I have set my decimals. I can't do any decimal points on this guy. And of course, when I go back to you lose, it just says 0. Well, no, let's not do that. We don't want to have an option where our division is only capable of giving us, fractions. We don't want to have that happen. So, how are we going to do that? Well, most likely people are thinking, oh, maybe I'll just have it, give me just 1.5, just go by half here. So if I were to find where I put my division, oh, I'll just do this as, I don't know, 1 and 2, right? Well, no, I'm still going to get 0.5s, and I don't want 0.5s. So, how do I guarantee that my division is always going to give me a whole number answer and ignore any possible results that won't give me a whole number? Well, we're going to have to make ourselves a new our new public sub. We're going to have to do something called modular division. So, let me go in here and go and say public function, and I'm going to name this, I don't know, check division. And boom. So now I have a function called check division. So now to describe modular division is a way in which, if I were to say, I don't know, 7 divided by 3. We all know that 3 goes into 7 2 times, because that would equal 6. So you get 2, and then you would have a remainder of 1. It's going to give us the remainder. So 3 divided by 7 is going to equal 1. Sorry, 7 divided by 3. In the same instance, 6 divided by 3 is going to equal 0, because there is no remainder left over. Modular division is going to give us the remainder. So, we'll need to figure that out. So if div1 divided by, if div1 mod for modular division, div2 equals 1, because there's going to be, if equals 0, no, actually, yeah, we'll do, if, let's do not equals. Not equal to 0, then, oh, that's not the code for not equals, is it? Okay, is it equals, equals slash equals? One moment, I'll be right back.